Welcome back YouTube. Today we've got a Transit MK8 on a 16 plate. Customer complaint is the immobiliser kicked in and he couldn't start the vehicle with either key. So I'm going to take you through the codes that you'll see with the individual faults. So the first one is a known, this key is now working because obviously I rolled up to it and the vehicle started. Forget this is brake pad warning sensor, so I'm not interested with that. Okay, so that's the only code we've got. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to unplug this from here. So I'm going to remove this, which has got two little clips on it, one at the top, one at the bottom. And then I'm just going to turn the ignition on so the vehicle can't see the key. Okay, so we'll do that next. Bear with me. Right, so now we've got this still plugged in. Okay, I'm going to put the key in the ignition, turn the ignition on. Now the vehicle can't see the key. So if we get there, forget about the brake pad. If I press the button, there we go. Immobiliser active, check and book. That's all it says. If I go into the code reads, which is what you'll do, retrieve. Okay, and there it is, B10D794. So remember that. That is where the ring is plugged in, but it can't see the key. So the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to do the same again, but we're going to unplug the ring. Okay, so turn the ignition off. Bear with me. I've got original code there. So I'm going to turn the ignition on. So what we've got now is the ring completely removed. So turn the ignition on. Put that there. Just press the OK button. There we go. Immobiliser active. If we go to it now and go back, retrieve, we'll see a different one coming up. So there's your different one. B10D787. That's where the ring is either unplugged or it's lost its supply. Live earth and 2 feeds back to either the instrument cluster or the BCM. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now is we're going to put it all back together, but we are going to put the wrong key in. Okay, so what I'm going to do with that, so it can see it all, but it sees the wrong key. Right, so I'm going to turn the ignition off. Bear with me while I do that. So there's our two codes. Right, so now what we're going to do is I've got the wrong key in the ignition, in the ring, transponder ring. I'm going to turn the ignition on. Okay, as you can see on there, if I press that button, immobiliser active, check and book. And this time we will do a read again. And this time we've got B10D781. So we've got 81, 94 and 87. So 81, which is the latest one, because it always brings the last one at the top, and that is basically putting in the wrong key. Okay, and that's it. So that's the three main codes that you'd be interested in, and that will tell you on your scanner what is actually going wrong with the vehicle as regards the transponder ring, the power supply and the key. Okay, thank you for watching.